Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. Today I'm going to show you how to make the most amazing egg and mushroom souffle. It is so good and delectable. If you're a mushroom fan, you are going to love it. I start with 16 ounces of baby bella mushrooms. You can give them a rinse or you can simply wipe with a wet towel. Dice just like so and cook in 40 grams of butter. You're going to saute until they lose all the water and become nice and golden. I don't season at first, I season towards the end with a little bit of salt. Cooking the mushroom will take 5 to 7 minutes. It needs a little bit more. At this point you can season with a little bit of salt. You can add black pepper. I'm gonna add some fresh thyme, just like so. Mushroom, butter, and thyme. What else can you ask for? To make it even more special, I'm gonna add half a package of Boursin cheese, about 2.5 ounces, and Boursin is herb and garlic cheese. It's like a cream cheese. If you don't have it, you can add regular cream cheese. Add to the mushroom. It's gonna melt right in. It's gonna make it creamy and delicious. Set aside or place in a baking dish. I want it to cool a little bit. Meanwhile, I'm gonna work on the bechamel sauce. And I want to remind you, if you're liking my videos, don't forget to support my channel, subscribe, like, and share. Hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my recipes. And follow me on social media. The links are going to be in the description box below. I'm going to cook 40 grams of butter, 30 grams of all-purpose flour. Mix well and cook for a minute until you cook the raw edge on the flour. Season with a little bit of salt and black pepper. And add some warm milk, about 1 cup. Mix until it comes back to a boil and thickens. Just make sure to keep on whisking at all times. You want a smooth roux. When it comes back to a boil and thickens, this is what you're gonna get. I set it aside and start mixing the eggs. I'm using 6 extra large, actually jumbo eggs. Each egg has 2 egg yolks. And it's about 80 to 85 grams in weight. I'll be leaving all the amounts and all the ingredients in the description box below, so check it out. You're gonna break up the eggs very well, season with salt, black pepper. I added 1 tablespoon of freshly chopped chives. At this point, the roux is a little cooler, but I'm gonna start drizzling the eggs a little at a time. I'm not gonna drizzle the whole thing at once. I want to temper the eggs with the roux. Keep on whisking. You're gonna get a custard-like texture. The last thing I'm gonna do is shred some fontina or mozzarella on top of the egg mixture. If you're trying to make a lighter version, skip the cheeses altogether, the cream cheese, Boursin, and the mozzarella or fontina. You will still get a good version, a little lighter. Pour the egg mixture on top of the mushroom and you're gonna bake at 375 degrees for 20 to 30 minutes or until the center is set nicely. And like I said, if you love mushroom, you are gonna love this recipe. It has great flavor, nice texture. You are gonna love it. Give it a try. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And until next time, bon appétit!